Thanks for joining our Agrimaster tutorial. Today I'll be going through how to set up your installment tax. Let's jump right in. So to begin with, we'll just open up our Agrimaster file. And then we'll just go to the tax setup screen. So to get here, we'll go to Setup and Tools, Cashbook Setup, Tax, and today we're looking at installment tax. So Agrimaster's installment income tax calculator is an incredibly powerful tool in both the cashbook and the budgets. It allows you to calculate the predicted tax liability your business may incur in current and future financial periods. As a business, this is going to allow you to plan and save for tax to minimize risk or accruing debts with the ATO. Before we begin, you'll need to know the tax rate for all entities for the current financial period, how the tax is dispersed amongst each entity on a percentage, and have a clear understanding which receipt codes are included in the installment tax calculation. Before continuing with this setup, we recommend you speak to your accountant who will be able to notify you of the tax rate for all entities for the current financial year and confirm which receipt codes are included in the installment tax calculation. So once you know which receipt codes to include, you'll just go through the left-hand side and tick the right ones. At the top, we've got the installment tax return period. So if you pay your installment tax quarterly, you'll go with 3, monthly 1, and so on. You just need to select the start month. So this will usually be the start month that the cashbook opened for you. Next, we need to show when the first month of the financial year is. Most likely this will be July. And then we need to just select a code for the installment tax payments. So if you've not got the code, you can click the add or edit code list. I've already got one set up, so I'll just go to PAYG, income tax. If you use the budgets feature in Agrimaster, we highly recommend you activate installment tax in budgets and also the cashbook if you use the cashbook. You'll get this message if you decide to use it in the cashbook, but once again, we recommend you speak to your accountant before turning this on. We'll back out. And now we've successfully completed the setup of our installment tax. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you need more information, please have a look at our help articles or book a one-on-one consultancy and training session with our team. All are linked in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Have a great day.